ito yung inyong sacred mission, no? So ito yung inyong mga spiritual mission, no? There is you are starting, no? Developing your psychic abilities, no, for some of you Capricorn. And yeah, for some of you it is a confirmation na that you are this na you have these abilities, no. So kumbaga baka nagtatanong din kayo sa sarili nyo, meron ba talaga ako nito, no? And then yes, eto yon, no, this is a confirmation for you, no, mga Capricorn. And what else? You have this meeting contracts, no? So yan, no, maybe talaga may kinalaman to here, no? So yeah, ito yung magiging career nyo. Kumbaga, for some of you, tutulong kayo, no, with your abilities, no? May mga tao kayong ma-imimit, no? Something like that, no? So may mga contract signing din kayo, no? Maybe ay talagang with this mission na talaga, no, for some of you nag-uumpisa na. And then for some of you naman, na when it comes to job, no, maybe ay matatawagan na kayo ng mga ina-applyan nyo, no, and then magsasign na kayo ng mga contracts, no, for some of you, no, maybe contract na maybe for some of you aalis, no, if you are an OFW, or yeah, for some of you nga ay natanggap na sa work, no, sa ina-applyan nila. And then yeah, may mga contract signing here, no, may mga meetings. For some of you naman na nasa higher position sa company, no, there is a meeting, contracts, no, contract signing, no, yeah. And for some of you naman, opening a new business, no, meeting some business partner, no, partnerships, there is also a contract signing there, no, mga collaboration, no, something like that, no. So marami talaga, parang maraming opening doors, no, for you Capricorn, no. So but then be mindful, no, kailangan ay basahin mabuti yung mga contracts, no, para ay alam nyo yung nilalaman, no, hindi rin kayo maiisahan, right? Hindi agad-agad nag-i-invest sa isang bagay, sa isang business na hindi mo rin alam. Kailangan aalamin mo ang every detail of it, no, right? No, so hindi rin kailangan suong ng suong. Kung halimbawa may job offer sa iyo, titignan mo mabuti, baka scam yan or whatever, baka illegal, something like that. Kaya kasi marami ng taong manloloko ngayon, right? So kailangan talaga ay be vigilant, no, to people na imimit nyo, no, something, lalo na when it comes to finance.